my little friends. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make honeycomb with paper. It's perfect for your school projects or science displays. So, let's start. First, get a sheet of yellow chart paper. Take one side of the paper and fold it over to meet the other side, creating a fold across the shorter width for long strips. Now, cut it with scissors. Now, fold the strip into 3 lightly, then unfold and cut along the fold lines. Roll each strip into a circle and glue the ends. Make around 30 to 40 of these. Choose a sturdy cardboard piece. Make sure it's long enough to make a honeycomb structure. We require 6 cardboard strips to make each honeycomb. Take a colored chart paper, cut it slightly bigger than the cardboard if you want to wrap the edges. Apply glue and carefully place the chart paper on the cardboard. Do the same for the rest and paste them all together in honeycomb hexagon shape. Cut the black colored paper strips and paste it above the ready hexagon. The white paper can be used for the base. Glue it and cut it. Do the same for the rest. Now attach all the hexagons together. To create the life cycle of honeybees, label each hexagon with one stage of the honeybee life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, adult. You can draw it or take a print. Now it's time to arrange and glue the hexagons in the center of the honeycomb pattern. Now it's time to decorate. Draw or print small bees. Cut them out and paste them around the honeycomb to give it a fun and lively look. Take yellow paper and make strips of it. Now fold the strips and give the shape of the hexagon. Make around 10 to 15. Now paste the color paper below and write some facts in it. You can decorate it with tiny bee doodles to match the theme. And there you have it. Your honeycomb life cycle model is complete. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.